are here for the igus bike world tour. Let's go to Electromech.
Yes, definitely this prototypes gives lot of things to consider about, and then additionally we are also heading toward the sustainability in the global market. So this is really good product. Electromech and igus have the aligned values as far as the sustainability of the products are concerned, and giving this kind of solution to our customers.
Hi everyone, Akshay from igus India. We are at Güdel, India for the igus bike tour. Let's go in.
It's a very nice ride, very lightweight and well designed, and shows a very good reference in terms of sustainability, that what igus is looking across, trying to bring across recycled material from the ocean, putting across your own components.
Yes.
And their technology inside, and a really good thought across cycle.